Hi beauties, welcome to a new video. So this is my struggles on my hair growth journey. So all these are my struggles and all these are my updates on how I regrow my hair from being short, bald. I had to color my hair so that I can be able to love my hair, because I hated my hair when I got my front edges was cut off, so I hated my hair, so I had to color it to this extent. Then I started using DIY product and my hair started to grow. I started falling in love with my hair. So in my channel, I'm only showing you all natural ingredients to grow out your hair, so you don't lose hope. In case you're losing hope on how you want to cut your hair, don't cut your hair. Your hair is going to grow out, because my hair actually grew and I'm so happy and excited of my hair growth journey. Can't wait to get to the next length. Okay, so please join me on. I'll be doing challenges, I'll be doing testing on DIY hair growth for natural hair. So please subscribe, like, share and comment. So love, today's video we're mixing flaxseed and fenugreek seed. Okay, we're going to be mixing these two together. I'm not going to cook this. Okay, this is not a cooking method. I'm going to do this a cold press method. Okay, so please keep on watching and let's go. So here we have an empty jar just like this. I'm going to be adding 3 tablespoons of flaxseed and I will add 1 tablespoon of fenugreek. So this is the benefit of fenugreek seed. Fenugreek seed helps to promote hair growth. It helps to condition your hair. It helps to detangle your hair. Why the benefit of flaxseed? Flaxseed helps to grow your hair faster and longer by providing nourishment to your hair follicles. It's rich in vitamin B and vitamin E, and it has omega-3 fatty acid. Okay guys, so it also helps in coily hair as well. So I'm just pouring hot water. I'm pouring in hot water. Okay, and I'll allow this to sit for 8 hours and I will get my gel. Yeah, it's that easy. You can also cook this. All right, if you are impatient you can cook this, but I don't want to deal with hot gel, like deal with hot gel on my hair, so I needed to do the cold method gel process. Okay, so please keep on watching. So lovelies, this is what it looks like after 8 hours. As you can see that the water has turned to a jelly consistency. Yeah, so I'm just going to squeeze this out and you guys will see how I use this on my natural hair for nourishment, for hair growth, for hair loss treatment and all. So after I squeeze this out, this is what we have. This is the gels that is coming. So love, this is what we have from the fenugreek and flaxseed. The remaining ones we can use that to do a deep condition, which I'll be dropping that video very soon. So this is my hair all washed, all dried. and I'm just going to be using this to hydrate my hair. Guys, I'm sorry about the lightning, but when I was doing this, I had like there was coils popping from my mirror, but due to the lighting and all that, I don't know if you guys can see the coils. Let me know in the comment section if you're actually seeing coils. So right here my hair was dry, and now I applied the fenugreek seed and the flaxseed on my hair. This is an amazing way to style your hair. You don't need to use eco styling gel or the rest. You can use this to style your hair. I know some people asking about what about the smell. It does not smell unless you leave it for a longer time, but when you use it that period, it does not smell. See if you can. Let me know in the comment section if you can see some coils. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. All right,